While other places have ponies or parrots, we have dragons. Oh, why would you do that? Astrid. Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Da-da-da, we're dead. You just gestured to all of me. You, sir, are playing a dangerous game. Keeping this raw Vikingness contained, there'll be consequences. This conversation is feeling very one-sided. This is a hobo suit, darling. You can't be seen in it. I won't allow it. 15 years ago, maybe, but now, pfeh. I never look back, darling. It distracts from the now. And machine washable, darling. That's a new feature. It will be bold, dramatic, heroic. Do you remember Thunderhead? Tall, storm powers, nice man, good with kids. No kips. Milan, darling, Milan. I used to design for gods. My God, you've gotten fat. Yes, words are useless. Gobble, 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 gobble. Too much of it, darling. Too much. You can't. It's impossible. I'm far too busy. You push me too hard, darling. But I accept.